Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to a Cleveland Indians spring training game. Yeah, my friend Gale had an extra ticket. So, and here's a little bit of the resort we're in. Be right back. I'm not sure if Gale's going to want to be on camera, but here he comes. This cool brand marquee. What's up?
That for timing.
Mind if I film a little bit?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Why would I mind?
That's good timing. I just sat down. Anyway, guys, this is Gale. We're going to Cleveland Indians and who?
Cincinnati Reds.
Reds. All right, we'll see you guys there. All right, here we go.
Dust of my car. I'm not happy.
Look at these rims Gale put on. That look nice. Pretty cool. Okay, we'll take you inside. All right, Gale picking up our tickets. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. People showing up too. Okay, so Gale said that's one of the world's largest baseball bat. I'm not really seeing a baseball bat. It looks like a baseball that's been flattened or run over. I don't know.
I know, I get confused with two. Come on. Mind if I give you a quick one? Enjoy the game. Alright, so technically this is not allowed.
Film?
Does that extend?
No.
It just stays like that?
Yeah.
Let it go.
Yeah, it's not a selfie stick.
Yeah. We'll let it roll.
Thank you. Measure?
Right, yeah.
Oh, cool. They take card. They take card.
I do. I bring cash along just because I don't have to stick around with it, but I can card stuff too. Hold on to this. Is it like doing shit? Come here often? What do you think of Goodyear Park, sir?
Love it.
Do you like paying this much money for beer?
How much is it?
You get the big ones, they're 12 bucks a pop.
Can.
Yeah.
No.
It's like when I go through the drive-thru at the bank, I always end up behind somebody that's refinancing their house or something. I'm earning my keep. I wonder if we should side shift here.
How are you doing? Good. How are you? Good. And of course, Thank you.
2022 spring training season here at Goodyear Park.
I got it to stay long. Sorry.
Thank you. The Cincinnati Reds.
Well, we know where
Good grief.
not to stand to get a next round.
Then he wanted a tip.
Huh?
Then he wanted a tip. All right, I think this is the second batter. First guy struck out.
Third. think.
Is it third batter?
Auto
Yeah,
usually bats third.
There's the scoreboard where we walked out here.
Right here, so we can...
We've actually got seats about 10 rows up, just like halfway between home plate and first base.
Yeah, pretty close. I think we're in the shade. Close to.
Cool.
We'll get there.
Batting third, shortstop number 7.
I'm still alive.
What was that? What did you just tell me?
Since 1959. I was 9 years old in 1959. I have not missed going to at least one game a year.
One Cleveland Indians game. They're not the Indians now.
They are the Indians, and they can take this Guardian. So
You were talking about how you could hear the players talking in there. I was at an Indians-Yankees game in Winter Haven back in the olden days.
Yeah.
And it was when they have those Pan Am games or World games, whatever. And a bunch of the Yankee guys, came in the night before, so they were just at the game, kind of standing there. And that was back when they had all the big stars, like 30 years ago.
Right.
And my sister and I were the first row behind the dugout. And I said to my sister, like in a voice like this, there's probably $50–60 million standing right there. And one of the players turns and says, closer to 90.
You gotta love that.
Yeah.
He was the catcher for the Yankees. I did a walk-on to the team because I thought I was hot shot high school baseball player.
Sure,
I'm pretty good. I could hear the ball going by. I couldn't even see it.
Yeah.
Because that's like, what, Mid-American Conference. But I remember he was catching. It was, during batting practice or whatever. But, yeah, that was the closest I ever came.
Well, one time I was standing in line behind Bob Feller, checking into the hotel. How about that?
I met Bob Feller probably half a dozen times.
Yep.
I'm from Ohio.
Okay.
And Bob Feller lived about 10 miles away from my hometown. Okay. And when I was a kid, I worked on a gas station pumping gas.
Okay.
And he used to come in all the time.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Because I think after he retired from baseball, didn't he become an insurance agent or something like that?
Yeah.
He lived in the area for a long time.
Great guy, but he was kind of cheap.
Yeah.
Boom!
Oh, I remember at Winter Haven, they had a place for him like behind the stands.
Yeah.
Where he'd sign autographs.
Yeah.
And he'd charge you $5 a piece for
you.
autograph.
Yeah.
Because he didn't have any pension.
No, he didn't, and he lived back that way. I want to see if there's any lines still at the team shop. I would like to see.
Okay, yeah, the score is 3-2, Cleveland. It is the bottom of the 7th. We're gonna head out and get a beer. All right, that was fun, you guys. Yeah, it was fun. Enjoyed hanging out with Gale. He's also good friends with our friend Mike that passed a couple months ago. But what a great day. And how beautiful day at the field. Families, sitting between those two guys, Gale and that other gentleman. I can't remember his name right now. But both being from Ohio and discussing the old all the old players and games and all that stuff. That was fun. I just sat there and listened and laughed. Had a beer. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up here. We'll see you guys in a few days. God bless. Love each and every one of you. Please share this with a like-minded person and enjoy your life. Bye.